Welcome to week 44 of Where Am I Investing? Over the past 43 weeks, I have invested in 5 mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, Parag Flexi Cap Fund, and Invesco India Mid Cap Fund. Let's take a quick look at how they are performing. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is down 3% with a CAGR of -4%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 3% with a CAGR of 5%. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 13% with a CAGR of 26%. Parikh Flexi Cap Fund is up 12% with a CAGR of 21%, and Invesco India Mid Cap Fund is down 1% with a CAGR of 5%. My overall portfolio is up 2% with a CAGR of 3%. For perspective, Sensex itself is down 1.2% with a CAGR of -1.3% since I started this journey on October 14th, 2024. So yes, despite market volatility, my portfolio continues to outperform the benchmark. That's the power of disciplined investing. Coming to this week's investment, I invested again in Invesco India Mid Cap Fund, keeping the investment amount consistent with week one. So if I started with 1000 rupees in week one, I have added another 1000 rupees this week. And why Invesco India Mid Cap Fund again? That's because mid caps are quietly building momentum. They often lead in early recovery phases. And by investing during a dip, I am lowering my average cost and positioning for future upside. If you found this helpful, like this video. Drop a comment: what fund would you pick this week? Share it with someone who's just starting out. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss week 45. That is it for week 44 of Where Am I Investing? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.